Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Princess Rosalina from the new Super Mario Bros. Galaxy movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Princess Rosalina, let's begin with the top of the head. So I'm just going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then down. Now right here, I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to curve it up to here for part of her hair. Right here, I'm going to bring this line down and up and then connect it to here. Right here, I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to bring this out and up to here. I'm going to curve a little line in and up for part of the hair, and a little line down for the ear. Now, right here, I'm going to make the nose. So I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down. I'm going to angle it down here and just put a little dot there. Now, for her eye, I'm just going to make a nice big curve shape, and then another big curve shape underneath it. We'll make the top of the eye a little darker and put a couple little eyelashes. And then we're going to make like an oval shape for the pupil with a little dot inside of it. And we can add a few more eyelashes across the top. I'm also going to make a little line above here for the eyebrow. Then for the mouth, we're just going to make a little smile. We'll go up and down for the top of the mouth, and then down and up for the bottom. Next, I'm going to make another little point here. Then I'm going to make a point here. Now for the crown on top of her head, let's just make a line that's going to go up and down, and then up and down. We'll put 2 half circles on each side and a circle right in the middle. Now for her neck, let's draw a line that's just going to go down. And we'll draw a line that's going to come down here. We're going to go out, we're going to bring this down, and then back up. I'm going to bring this line up and this line up. And then we're going to bring this line around to here. And we'll do the same thing here, bring this line around right to here. We're going to make a little point for a star. 2 little lines that come out, and then we're going to bring them in. We're going to go down and up for the star. Now for her body, let's begin by drawing a long line that's going to come down here. And then we're going to make another long line that's just going to come over here. We're going to make this line kind of wavy and come up. And we're going to make it kind of wavy and down to here. We're going to make it a little wiggly here. And we're going to make this line come up and then down. I'll make a little bump for the foot, and then another one right here. We're going to make a little line that's going to come up and down for part of the dress. And then we're going to make a couple little lines like this for some detail. For this arm, we're just going to bring this line down. We're going to bring it down here and then up with a little curve here. We're going to make a little bump for a finger. We're going to make 1, 2, and we'll just do 3 here just to kind of show like one is kind of hiding just because it's a small area. Now over here, let's draw a line that's going to come down. Then we're going to bring this line up and down here. We're going to come down and back up with a little curve here. For this hand, let's make a little bump for the thumb and another small bump for the finger. We're going to go 1, 2, and then 3 little bumps for fingers. Next, we're going to draw a little line. It's going to come down and up. And we're going to make a long, skinny line for her wand. We're going to make a triangle shape. We're going to bring them in. We're going to come out and in on each side and make a little point on top for the star. We're going to bring this down for her hand and bring this line up. Now for the rest of her hair, let's draw a line that's going to come down and curve in here. We're going to do kind of the same thing, down and curve, down and curve. Then we're going to bring a line that's just going to kind of curve around and in, and then bring it up to here. Then we can just make some quick little curves on the ends of some of the hair, just to give it a little bit of detail. Now the final thing, we're just going to draw a little Luma next to her. So I'm just going to begin by drawing a line that's going to curve down to here. We'll make a little bump here. We're going to make a little notch here, and we're going to bring this out with a little bump for the arm. And then we'll connect it up. We'll make a little bump here and a little bump here. We'll color in 2 dots. And then we'll make a happy little mouth on here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Princess Rosalina. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.